Hey folks, Doc here. It's Sunday morning. It's rather chilly outside. It's hanging right around freezing. That's not cold by Canadian standards, but it's cold enough. And I know a guy in Texas right now that's going, "What the hell, man?" Anyhow, I have been trying to get some work done to Boss Haas, which has proven to be a complete and total wash. I'm just too damn busy. And, yesterday was kind of a fluff day. I needed a break. I needed to chillax and do nothing. And then I came outside this morning thinking, what can I do to Boss Haas? Well, the answer at the moment, unfortunately, is not a hell of a lot. The shop is a disaster area. I've got nothing prepped. And I'm standing out here looking at it going, oh, geez, man, this isn't going to happen. And then I thought, well, you know what? Some of you folks seem to like cold start videos, and I haven't started this thing up in, oh God, it's got to be a month at least, and it's cold out here. So let's do a cold start video on the diesel wheel horse. I am trying really, really hard to remember when it was 3 million degrees outside here, and I had swamp ass that lasted all summer long. Winter. I'm getting too old for that. So, as you know, the machine has the provision for electric start, and as you know, I installed a manifold preheater for occasions just like this. But in the spirit of entertainment, I'm going to do a coin toss to see if I get to use the electric goodies, at least the electric starter, or whether I get to pull my arm out. So, got a quarter here. Heads, I get to use the electric goodies. Tails, I pull my arm out. Ready? Oh. There's the caribou. Goodbye, arm. All right, so here she is. It has sat here unmolested since I did the throttle setup video. It's obviously kind of cold out here. I've got my little infrared temp gun here. I'm just going to light this thing up just so you can see what's going on. We're hanging right above the freezing, below the freezing mark. The engine's cold. I'm just going to point this thing at the cylinder head, just so you know that I haven't done any trickery here. This engine is cold. Alright, so I'm going to set the engine I'm going to set the camera up on the tripod and see what happens. Alright, set the throttle. Place your bets now. How many tugs will it take to start my junk? I'm gonna say 3. Hope there's fuel in it. Yeah, there's fuel in it. I'm not looking forward to this. There's one pull. Get that compression release down. bit of white smoke there because she is cold. That went pretty well. 2 pulls. Alright, so let's see what she's doing for temperature. Cylinder head's warming up. Hard to get a good read on that angle. The case is warming up, the oil is warming up. Nice. Alrighty then. Well, that was actually pretty painless. I kind of pictured myself tugging my shoulder out of joint. You know, kind of like a college kid tuning into Pornhub. Anyways, I guess we're going to find out how brutal it really gets when the temperature drops another 20 degrees or so, and that's probably when I'm going to have to bust out the manifold preheater and all that junk. In the meantime, I'm going to get the shop cleaned up this week in the evenings after work, hopefully, because I really want to get something actually done to this, because I'm in jeopardy of not making the build-off deadline. We'll see what happens. In the meantime, thanks for tuning in, watching, sharing, and subscribing. And until next time, take care of yourself. Heads, I get to use the electric goodies. Tails, I pull my arm out.